Assalamu alaikum. We are in DIP1 and we are here in the sales office of Union Property. With us, we have Mr. Anas, who is the sales manager at
Nice
Union
to meet you.
Property. Nice to meet you, Anas.
Likewise, nice to meet you.
Tell us the brief us about the history of Union Property.
Definitely will do. Well, about Union Properties, actually, we are one of the oldest entity government developer in the UAE.
Okay.
We have been established since 1987, and we are a master developer. One of our famous communities that we have handed over in Dubai is Dubai Motor City,
Okay.
and Uptown Mardif as well. And we have a lot of projects that we have handed over are famous, like the Ritz-Carlton, the Index Tower in the DIFC, as well UP Tower in Sheikh Zayed Road, and so on.
Okay.
And we are been in Dubai stock market since 1993.
Okay. That's
All
good.
right. Yeah.
Okay.
And we are an entity governmental funded developer.
Okay. So Union Property is the master developer of the Motor City.
Definitely.
Okay. So tell us about this project. Brief us
Well, this project called the Takaya, actually, it's located in the Motor City, and to be more specific, it's on the Dubai Autodrome,
Yes,
which
famous.
happens yearly over there, the Formula racing for 48 hours, and even like the regular people can use it as well.
Okay.
And after the Dubai Autodrome, of course, there is the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. Well, the first thing about the location, as you know, this is called the whole project as the Takaya Boulevard.
Okay.
And the Takaya Boulevard, it consists of like 3 tower G plus 19, and in the middle is 29, which is the Harmony Symphony, and the Takaya in the middle. It's named to that whole project. And over here, you can see we have a podium townhouses or a podium villas, as well as 5 unique stand-alone villas. We call them, some of the people, they like to call them sky villas. Some of the people, they call them like a stand-alone villas.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. So can you tell us about the structure of the buildings? I mean, these two started with this.
The structure for the building, like it's G plus 19, G plus 29, G plus 19, and the layouts inside the unit, it's have a lot of units converting from the studios. It could reach up to 4-bedroom penthouses.
Okay.
All right. And even there's like a simplex and there's duplex penthouses.
Okay.
There are varieties, and each floor, the maximum number of the units, which is even as an advantage, because most of the developers, they becoming commercial, and each floor they are starting to make a lot of apartments.
Yes.
So over here, the maximum per floor we have is a 15 unit per floor.
Okay.
As a maximum.
Okay.
And regarding the sizes, of course, all of them are spacious sizes. Like, for example, let's say the studio, it's starting area of 373 square foot, and currently the pricing for it, it's roughly, we can say 740K, 740,000 Emirati dirhams.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
even, sorry to cut you, the building, it comes for sure, there's a 2 podium level, and after the podium level, there's a 415,000 square foot of amenities.
Okay.
And as you can see, 450,000 square foot, of course, you can build another 3 towers within this range of
True. Yeah.
But instead of that, we have made the full facilities and amenities that will serve the residents and the investors.
Okay.
And if we have spoken about the Dubai Autodrome, which is the racetrack, and the opposite side, as well as this is the Motor City Boulevard, which is currently is active over there and running, which is running a lot of retail shops and stores like coffee shops, food and beverages, and so on. And by the way, even the Takaya Boulevard, as it is, it's have full commercials, which is roughly around 55,000 square foot of retail and commercial spaces. Our commercials as Union Properties, we never sell them.
Oh, okay. So it's not for sale.
No, our Union Properties, our developers always, our retailers, we just long lease them, just leasing. Why? To maintain a healthy vibes of the community.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. So my question is.
Yes.
So one of the side of the apartments are facing the Autodrome, and the other side are facing the green community. Is there any price difference?
The price difference, if we are speaking like towards the view, to be honest, there is not that big price as we are speaking on the floors.
Okay.
The floors, there is going to be slightly different of the price, but if we are speaking on the Dubai Autodrome and the community, roughly we can say almost the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay.
Because both of them, to be honest with you, they have a spacious, good view, which is you have a Dubai Autodrome, and by the way, even the higher you go, the open view you'll have to the skyline towards the marina.
The good thing is that the price, there's not much difference, because there are some clients who like Autodrome side. There will be people who like the green community side.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about the payment plan of this.
Sure. I will tell you about the payment plan, but since you have mentioned the Autodrome, some of the clients, their concern is about the noises for the Formula cars.
Oh, yeah,
They'll be like, Anas will be living over here for a flat, townhouse, penthouse, regardless. Like, will not there be any noises on the track or whatsoever? I was like, yeah, for sure. Actually, in Takaya Boulevard, all the project, the standards for the glasses that we are doing, it's same as the standards of Dubai International Airport.
Okay.
And right now, from now up to, let's say, 2 months from now, we are preparing a show apartment directly in the racetrack, so we can even show the clients our quality.
Yeah, because of course it will be very noisy on the Autodrome. That's for
Definitely,
sure.
but you know,
That's
in
a
the
good, yeah.
airport, once you are waiting for the plane to come and go, you
Yeah.
cannot hear that noise. It's 0.00 something.
So soundproof glass you're gonna be.
Definitely, 100%. Yeah.
Okay, tell us about the payment plan now.
The payment plan, for sure, it's usually, you know, the master developers, they don't give a post handover.
Okay.
They always until the handover. Over here, the good thing about the Takaya Boulevard, we are giving a post handover for 3 years, which is 36 months.
Okay.
Usually, our down payment is 20% and 40% to upon the completion, which is the completion going to be on 2027 quarter 4, which is between October up to December.
Okay.
So once you have completed 60% up to completion, the remaining 40% we can make it for you a post handover for 3 years. That's for sure for all the units except the studios. The studios we make it 60, but the 40% upon completion, no post handover.
Okay, so 20% down payment, 40% during construction.
Yes, sir.
And 40% for the post handover.
Yes.
Okay, so and the completion for that will be
It will be in quarter 4, 2027.
quarter 4, 2027. Thank you so much, Anas.
You're more
It
than
was
welcome.
really nice meeting you for explaining
Pleasure.
those things.
Pleasure.
If you want to know more about this project, I think it's a great project for investor. If you are investor and you are looking for investment opportunity, this is the project that you should invest. For more details, please do contact MAR Real Estate.